Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 7 April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 7th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for tomorrow 8 April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular stock recommendation. And you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist because I analyze 11 currency pairs on daily basis. And I would like to mention one more thing that I do not recommend penny stocks because penny stocks are highly manipulative and it is quite risky because the technical analysis also do not work well in penny stocks. Therefore, you'll only find stocks from London Stock Exchange with high volume. Okay, so let's jump. So the first stock, yes, this is the first stock, Fresnillo. You can see that Fresnillo has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern yesterday. Okay. And the last traded price of the stock is 900, and we can see that the stock has just closed above the support level, which is a very good sign, but overall considering the trend of the stock, it is towards the downside. Therefore, as stock has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern, and spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision in the market. The stock either may go up or either may go down. The bulls and bears are in a state of fighting. Okay, they are in a constant state of war. So what should be a strategy? Buy above 912 level. If you get the stock above 912 level, you can go for buy, and you can short the stock below 894 level. Okay, so if you get the stock above 912 level, you can buy. If you get the stock below 894 level, you can short the stock. Okay. So these are the two price levels for fresh Nilo. The second stock for the day is Glencore. Glencore is a very popular stock, and you can see that the Glencore has formed a pin bar kind of a pattern with good price rejection from above. Ultimately, the stock closed at 291.65. So considering the price rejection from above, we will be only looking for shorting opportunity today because you can see that there were buyers present in the market who did not allow the price to go up. So it will be risky to looking for buying opportunity. Therefore, you can short the stock if you get the stock below 291 level. This is the yesterday's low. If you get the stock below 291 level, you can short the stock. Let's jump to the third stock, and it's Aviva. Aviva, as we all know, is a very good stock. The trend is very bullish. You can see that the stock is very much bullish, and the stock has closed at 415.7 level. This is the last traded price, and the stock has closed just above the daily support level. Okay, this is the daily support, and the stock has just closed above the daily support level, which is a very good sign. And considering the overall trend of the market and yesterday's closing, we will only be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, and buying opportunity will be 419.5 level. The stock has made a high of 419.2, so we will be going for buying opportunity above this level. Once the stock crosses the previous day's high, okay, just observe the price of the stock. If you see that the stock is bullish, about to go up, just buy above 419.5 level. So let's jump to the fourth stock. It's KGF, Kingfisher. For Kingfisher, you can see that the stock has closed at 328.4 level. Okay, this is the last traded price of the stock, and we can see that the stock tried to cross this level. There is a resistance at 331.2 level. Okay, 331.2 level, but the stock failed to cross the daily resistance, and ultimately it had to close just below the daily resistance. And we can see that there was also good price rejection, okay, from above. And when stock tried to go down, there was some price rejection from below as well. Ultimately, the stock formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. So uh, we will be getting two opportunities here. Okay, two opportunities. One will be towards the upside and one towards the downside. In case the stock opens above 331.5 level. Okay, 331.5 level, or in case there is a gap up open, just wait for the stock to trade above this level for 15 to 30 minutes. Just let the stock trade comfortably above this level. Okay. Once you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 331.5 level, you can go for a buy. In case the stock opens below 331.5 level and there is a breakout during the market session and it crosses 331.5 level during the live market, then also you can go for a buy after 15-30 minutes. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand whether the stock is trading comfortably or not. Once you get the confirmation that yes, stock is trading comfortably, it is not facing any selling pressure, just go for a buy above 331.5 level. On the other hand, if you get the stock below 325 level, you can short the stock. You can short the stock below 325 level. In case there is a gap down open, again the same drill, wait for 15-30 minutes and just observe the price. If you see that after 15-30 minutes the sellers are dominating the market, just short it. In case there is a breakdown or breakout towards the downside during the market session, okay, then also you can short the market below 325 level. So two calls for Kingfisher. And the last stock for the day is BT Group. For BT Group, you can see that the last traded price is 152.65 and it has formed a red candle on the daily chart yesterday. And the stock has closed at the day's low, which means that there was heavy selling pressure yesterday. So what should be a strategy? Considering the previous day's candle, we will be going for selling opportunity only. If you get the stock below 152.5 level, you can short the stock. If you see that the stock is trading below 152.5 level, there is selling pressure from yesterday, you can short the stock below 152.5 level. So these are the 5 stocks for 7th April 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.